Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and this video is going to be on how to flip your scissors. These are a pair of Mizutani Sword D17. Here's the scissor right here, and so that's the scissor. It opens, it closes. Getting to know the scissor. Watch, I'll show you something. And so, watch, look, check this out. So look, here's the scissor right here. And so, Mizutani Sword D17, it's a 6.7 inch scissor. You can do it with any scissor. You should be able to hold the scissors like this, number one. If you watch the video slowly, you could rewind it. You can get a pair of scissors. A comb, you could pull the hair up. You should be able to flip the scissors into this first position. So imagine you have the scissors here. You're going to cut some hair here. You want to tuck them away. So you could put the comb up and you can grab the hair. Then you can come back and flip them. So look, the first tuck is going to be this. You have the scissors here. This pinky is already going to kind of come backwards. And then you're going to kick the scissors right into them. So you're just going to have, this is going to be here. And you're just going to kick the scissors right into them. Kick the scissors right into them. So look, I'm kind of pushing with this finger here as I'm going to grab it with that pinky there and go like that. That's really how it is. So I'm here. I'm almost making, look at my hands like this. So I could have the scissors regular. I could have the scissors like that, however you want to hold them. Then eventually I'm going to go like this. This, as this pinky is going to come this way, this thumb's going to go this way. And the thumb's going to kick them in and grab them like that. I could even show it to you like this. So look, it's like that. It's going to come around. And eventually, without even having to kick this forward, just with momentum of just turning your hand like that, the pinky will come back here and grab them like that and then go like that. So, that's the first step, is just being able to grab them. So, you should be able to just flip them right in here like that, flip them right here like that. If you wanted to, you can go for a whole spin and then a flip. So like a whole spin, then a flip. And so that's like the starting of a trick. So you can do the whole spin like this. And then as you catch it, you just do a flip. So spin, catch, flip, spin, catch, flip, spin, catch, flip, and then flip, under, over, spin. And then you can start to do different, make up your own type of, tricks of them. But that's how you flip the shears. And any time you want to disarm yourself, so you have the scissors on you, you're ready to cut, you can just tuck them away. And now you can get to work with these elements here. These are tucked away here. They're not going to cut anyone, not going to do anything like that. And they're really easy to, and what I've done is, and guys, I'm going to start really doing it again in 2025, but I haven't flipped the shears nearly as much. I created an actual trick because I was like, oh, it's cool. You could come here, do this, come like that. But what about going underneath here? So I was like, just take the thumb, spin it there, come over. So now you can even kick out through there. And so I've just done a bunch of stuff. But the basic scissor flip, back here, hold here, flip, come around and hold. And so there it is. And that's it. If anyone has any questions regarding that, that's a basic start to any scissor flip, is tucking them, coming here. Then you could flip them around. You could do anything you want to do with them. You know how to tuck them. You could restart it. You could flip them back into your hands that way. You could come back around that way, come this way, come this way, come that way. And then look how sometimes I'm using my thumb when I redirect here. I just kick it like that. And then I even came up with a different one that went like that. But anyway, guys, so that's the scissor flip. I showed it to you guys raw. That was it. These are my custom Mizutani scissors. So yes, they open and close. Here's the other secret to flipping them. Look, they're like this. So mine are, obviously, I've tightened them. So if I just loosen them up like that, actually go the other way, loosen them up, then that's back to cutting ability. Really nice. You could still, if you wanted to, I could flip them anytime here and do this and come in and cut and reverse point cut, you know, tuck them away, do all that. But when I'm really scissor flipping and everything, instead of being right here where the scissors should be, so the scissors should stop right around there. And it should not stop at the end. That's the proper way to have your scissors when you're ready to do haircuts and everything. If you wanted to tighten it maybe one more step from there, you probably could. I'd probably just have it where I showed you. Right there is perfect. It's loose enough. It's great enough. You could still move. Listen, it's perfect right there. And so if I want to flip them, I just take this and go like that. And and now they're really tight. So and a lot of people have told me before, they're like, oh, you're going to ruin them. I've been doing this for 6 years and I haven't ruined them yet. And hey guys, if I ruin them, guess what? I don't really care. Then I'll buy another pair. And so that's it. But yeah, that's the scissor flip, and that's it, guys. It's that easy to do.